Malaysian Skyscrapers is a fascinating blend of modern and traditional architectural influences, reflecting the country's rich cultural heritage and rapid economic development. Designed by Argentine-American architect Cesar Pelli, the Petronas Twin Towers in Kuala Lumpur were the tallest buildings in the world from 1998 to 2004. They remain the tallest twin towers globally. Malaysia is a multi-religious country. In this religious diversity, we can see Buddhism, Christianity, Hinduism, and other faiths practiced by its citizens. Islam is the official religion practiced by about 61.3% of the population. In Malaysia, it's common to see elements of different religions blending together in daily life and cultural practices. For example, during Chinese New Year, some Buddhist and Taoist temples host lion dances, which are also enjoyed by Muslims, Christians, and Hindus. Malaysia boasts one of the most extensive highway networks in Southeast Asia, known as the North-South Expressway. This toll highway spans approximately 772 kilometers, or 480 miles, from the Thai border in the north to Johor Bahru at the southern tip of peninsular Malaysia. Malaysia is known for its luxurious overwater villas, particularly in places like Langkawi and the East Coast Islands. Resorts such as the Data Langkawi and Panger Lot Resort offer stunning overwater accommodations. Night markets, or pasar malam, are a quintessential part of Malaysian street food culture. These markets spring up in various towns and cities after sunset, offering a vibrant array of food stalls. Malaysia hosts several street food festivals that celebrate its culinary diversity. The Penang International Food Festival is one of the most renowned, attracting food lovers from around the world. Malaysia is one of the world's 17 megadiverse countries, home to a significant proportion of Earth's species. It boasts over 15,000 species of flowering plants, more than 600 species of birds, and around 210 species of mammals. Malaysia has numerous endemic species, meaning they are found nowhere else in the world. Notable examples include the Malayan tiger, the Bornean orangutan, and the Sumatran rhinoceros. The waters around Malaysia, especially in the Coral Triangle region, are among the most biologically diverse marine environments in the world. Sipadan Island, located in the Celebes Sea, is renowned for its pristine coral reefs and an abundance of marine life, including sea turtles, reef sharks, and a vast array of fish species. The area is a top destination for scuba divers.